Good morning everyone. Today we will do exercise 6.5. First question, see the student. PQR is a triangle, right angle at P. Now it is given it is right angle at P. If PQ is 10 centimeter and PR is 24, find QR. Now student, here I have already drawn a right angle triangle which is right angle at P. So here P is 90 degree. So this one is our right angle triangle. Now they are saying PQ is 10 centimeters. So here I have written 10 and PR is 24. What is not given to us, that is QR. So we have to find QR. Now we will use in this question Pythagoras property. Students, Pythagoras property is valid only in right angle triangle. This one is a right angle triangle. So we will use Pythagorean property. So in solution, first we will draw this triangle and then we will write PQR is right angled triangle and right angle at P. Here the 90 degree angle is at P. Now what is given? Given is PQ. PQ is 10 centimeter and PR is 24 centimeters. Students, always write given. Whenever you start any question, first you will be write those things which are given in question, then you will solve the further. Now we will write by using Pythagoras property. Now what is Pythagoras property? You should know about the Pythagoras property that we have already done in the presentation. So Pythagoras property is hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Now in this question, what is base? Base is our PQ, that is 10 centimeter, and what is perpendicular, that is PR 24 centimeter, and this one QR is our hypotenuse. So first we will write given thing that hypotenuse is QR, then whole square. This one is, we call it as square. Then P, perpendicular is PR. We will write PR square. I am writing the name. What is perpendicular? Perpendicular is PR, and what is base? That is PQ. So PQ square. Now we will put the values which is given to us. Now QR is not given to us, so we will not write the value of QR. We will write only QR square. And what is PR? That is 24 square. And PQ, that is 10 square. Now 24 square. What do you mean by this 24 square? Students, see here carefully. 24 square, it means 24 multiply 24. Now this one is our power. This one power and this one is called base. 24 is base and 2 is the power. So 24 square, it means we will write 24 two times. 24 into 24, because here it is written 2. If it is written 3, then we will write 3. That is exponent and power. Now we will do simply here, we will deal with square only. 24 square, 24 multiply 24. Now what is 24 into 24? That is 576. When you multiply, you will get 526. You can write here also 24 into 24. Now 10 square. 10 square doesn't mean 10 into 2. That is totally wrong. You will not write 10 into 2. You will not write 24 into 2. That is wrong. 10 square. 10 raised to power 2. It means 10 multiply 10. So when we will solve it, 24 into 24, 576. This one is our rough work. Then 10 into 10 is 100. Now when we will add them, 576 plus 100, we will get 676. QR square side by as such. Now 676. Here QR square. Here it is not the value of QR. It is the value of QR raised to power 2. How we will find the value of 676? Students, you haven't done here square root. So I will not tell about the square root. First we will do prime factorization. 676. Whenever you will get any type of this statement, you will be do the prime factorization on the table of 2. Again on the table of 2. Then 169 on the table of 13, because 13 into 13 is 169. Now it means 676. 676 you can write 2 into 2, 13 into 13. Here it is 676. You can write 676 in this way. Now students, see here carefully. Here 2 is 2 times and 13 is again 2 times. So according to this rule, 24 raised to power 2 means 24 into 24. We can do reverse also. 24 into 24 means 24 raised to power 2. Similarly, we will do here 2 into 2 means 2 raised to power 2. 13 into 13 means 13 raised to power 2. It means both raised to power 2. That is also fine. QR raised to power 2. So 2 into 13, that is 26. 26 raised to power 2. QR raised to power 2. Now students, if you will see here 676, it means 26 into 26 is 676. When you will multiply 26 into 26, you will be get 676. 26 into 26 means 26 raised to power 2. This one is our just for understanding. Then here is square, here is also square, and here is a sign of equal to. Then by comparing, we will cancel these two. Then the value of QR will become 26 centimeter. They were asking about the value of QR. So the value of QR is 26 centimeter. This 2 and 2 will be cancelled. So in this way we will do other question also. Second question students. ABC is a triangle, right angle at C. First again we will draw a right angle triangle. They are saying right angle at C. So here we will write C. So ABC. Remember one thing, whenever you will write naming of the triangle, always start right angle triangle. First draw right angle triangle, then name. First give the name to 90-degree angle, that is C. Then after that when you will give the name, it should be clockwise or anti-clockwise. You can follow any one pattern. If you will see here A, B, C, it will move like this. A, B, C. So you have to follow a pattern, whether it's clockwise or anti-clockwise. A, B, C. This one is in this way. Now in next they are saying AB is 25 centimeter. This is given to you 25 centimeter. Then AC is 7 centimeter. You have to find BC. Now in solution, first we will write triangle ABC, right angle at C, right angle at C. Then we will write given, that is AB is 25 centimeter and AC is 7 centimeter. Now it is right angle triangle, so we will use Pythagoras property. By using Pythagoras property, Now in Pythagoras property, hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Now hypotenuse is AB, so we will write here AB, or you can direct put the value. Now perpendicular is not given to us, that is BC, and base, this one is a base, that is AC. Now we will put the value. AB is 25 centimeter, BC is not given to us, and AC is 7 centimeter. Now 24 raised to power 2, it means 25 multiply 25. 25, here I am writing 25 square means 25 multiply 25. When you will multiply, you will get 625. 625. BC square is not given to you. 7 square. 7 square means 7 into 7. Write 7 two times. Multiply. 49. Now we have to find the value of BC. Now 49 here is adding. When it goes to other side, it will get into subtract. Minus 49 BC square as such. Now subtract it, you will get 576, that is BC raised to power 2. Now in this question I will tell you how we will find square root. In previous question I didn't tell you about the square root, I just tell you about prime factorization. After that square will be cancelled out. But in this question I will tell you about the square root. Now see students, you know in simple equation, whenever any sign in this way, 2 plus x is equal to, let it be 3. Here 2 is adding, when it goes to other side, it will get into subtract. Answer is 1. Similarly, addition become subtraction, subtraction become addition, multiplication become division, and division become multiplication. That we have done in simple equation. In this, square will become square root. Remember this thing. This is also in a equation when we solve any kind of equation and square will come. This type of square will come when it goes to other side, it will convert into square root. So this is the sign of square root. BC, this is the sign of square root. Not in this, you will be slightly like this. Don't put like so big. Don't do. It will look better if you will write this. This one is, see, this is the sign of square root. This we called it as square root. That we will do the detail later on in next chapter. Square root 576, that is the value of BC. Now how we will find the value of square root? Now see students, when we find the value of square root, for this we will use prime factorization. 576. First on the table of 2, again on the table of 2, again on the table of 2. So I am doing on the table of 2 and at the last on the table of 3. This is prime factorization. Now square root 576, make pair. In previous question we make pair, in here we will make pair. So 576 you can write, I am writing here 576, 2 into 2, again 2 into 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 times, then 3. Whenever you will be find square root, the number which come 2 times, you will be write that number 1 time, because here you have to find square root. So square root of 576, that is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. You will not write this 2 times. You will take it as in a pair. This one is a pair, you will write single time. Again in pair, you will write single time, pair, single time. 3 is also in pair, you will write single time. Now 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2, 8, 8 into 3, 24. So the value of square root 576 is 24. So here square root of 576 is 24 and that is in centimeter, 24 centimeter the value of BC. That is your answer. So here I tell you how to find square root. Very simple. Just do the prime factorization. The number which is in pair means that number is 2 times. Write down only one time. Then simply multiply, you will get the answer. Now after second question, now we will do the third question. Third question. A 15-meter long ladder reached a window 12 meter high from the ground. On placing it against the wall at distance A, find the distance of the foot of the ladder from the wall. Student, this figure is given to you, but the naming is not given in the question. I have given the name ABC. So this one is our ladder. So first we will name it as AC is a ladder. While doing the solution, first we will write what we assume. That is AC is ladder. They are saying, and this one is our AB, that is wall. AB is wall and C is foot of the ladder. So this one is given to us. Dimension is also given to us that AC is 15 meter. They are saying a 15 meter long ladder. This one is 15. Reached a window. They are reaching a window. Here some window is there which is 12 meter from the ground. This one is a ground and here is one window. You can assume here is a window and B is the ground level. They are saying we have to find distance of the foot of the ladder from the wall. It means we have to find this one DC. That is, they have given A. It is again the wall, that is distance is at A. So this one is a straight, you know, wall is straight. So it means this one angle is 90 degree. So first we will write that triangle ABC is right angle at B. Students, in this type of question, always remember to write right angle in which it is right angle. It is right angle at B. So we will write it is right angle at B. Now by using Pythagoras property, because it is right angle triangle, so we can use this one is a hypotenuse, base and perpendicular. So by using that property we will find the value of BC. So hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Simply I will put the value. Now hypotenuse is AC, that is 15. Perpendicular is 12 and base is A. Now 15 square means 15 into 15, that is 225. 15 square means 15 into 15. 12 square means 12 into 12, that is 144. Now here it is plus, when it goes to other side we will subtract it. A square. Now A square remain as such. Now we will subtract it. Yes, students, remember one thing also. Whenever you will do this question, you have to write here also that here is window. I didn't write the window. You have to, you can show also here little bit. You will show window in this way, and you will be right here, that is A is the point where window is there. You can write A is point of window. You have to mention that window point. Now we will do. Now when we subtract it, we will get 81. Then here it is square. When it goes to other side, sign will be changed. Square will become square root. I told you plus will become minus, minus plus, multiply divide, divide multiply, or square will become square root. Here you will write only A. Now 81. You can do prime factorization also, or you know about 81 is 9 square. 9 into 9 is 81. I can write direct also, but here I will solve you. Show. Again pairing. When pairing is there, this is 2 time, you will write 1 time. 2 time, you will write 1 time. 3 into 3, 9. So square root of 81 is 9. So the value of A, that is BC, is 9 meter. I will show you another method also. A square from here. 81 A square. Now 81 means 9 raised to power 2. A raised to power 2. 2 will cancel. So the value of A is 9 meter. So I tell you about two methods. One method where you will find square root. Square, when it goes to other side, square root. The number which will come 2 times, you will write 1 time. Then multiply it. Another method, you will be find that it is square of what number? 81 is square of 9. You will write 9 square. Then square will be cancelled out. The value of A is 9 meter. You can do any method. Next question. Today we will do till here. Next we will do next time. Till then, bye.